Welcome to Tech Vibes. In this video, I will guide you on how to enter the Akai Smart TV service menu. Make sure the TV is powered on and working normally. Use only the original Akai infrared remote control. Always take photos of the original settings before making any changes. Wrong adjustments can cause display or software problems. Now let us start with the service menu access methods. Method 1 is the most effective service menu code for Akai TVs. Keep the TV powered on. Press the menu button on the remote. Press 1999 in sequence. The Akai service menu will appear on the screen. If this method does not work, try the next method. Method 2 is an alternative service menu code. Keep the TV powered on. Press the menu button on the remote. Press 0000 in sequence. On some Akai models, this opens the service or factory menu. Method 3 is the factory menu using the input code. Keep the TV powered on. Press the input or source button on the remote. Press 2580 in sequence. This method works on some older and mid-range Akai TVs. After entering the service menu, you will see advanced options. You can check panel information and panel type. You can view the software version and factory data. You can access white balance and calibration options. You can enable or disable store or demo mode. You can check error logs and usage hours. Do not change calibration values unless you are a trained technician. To exit the service menu safely, press the power button once. Let the TV shut down completely. Wait for 10 seconds. Turn the TV on normally. This helps prevent software or display issues. If this video helped you, please like the video. Share it with friends who may need it. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for practical TV repair solutions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.